Praise Yahweh and Shalom family. Welcome to this really quick tutorial video on how to access your YVU Saturday Fun classes. We have heard that some people have been having some issues with accessing their live classes come Saturday. So this video is going to walk you through the steps on how to access those classes very easily, family. So our new system, students have to log into their virtual classroom, okay? The first thing you want to do is go to YahwehVirtualUniversity.com. So I'm going to go ahead and go there. Well, you can just type in Yahweh Virtual University in Google. And when you do that, the first page that comes up is the first link here where it says YVU homepage, Yahweh Virtual University. Yep, that first page that comes up when you type in Yahweh Virtual University in Google. This first page that comes up is the YVU website, family. So once you're here, the very first button here is the free Saturday class. Now, I am doing this tutorial on a laptop. You can follow along on a tablet or a smartphone. The layout is just going to look a little bit different. Okay? So once you are on YahwehVirtualUniversity.com, as you can see it here, YahwehVirtualUniversity.com, you want to go to free Saturday class. Now, this video is for individuals that have already registered, meaning they've already created a password and put in their email, and they just need to log in to access their classes, okay? If you have already registered, all you need to do is go to student login, okay? So again, on the home page, once you go to free Saturday class, you just want to go to student login. If you have not registered and you need to register, make sure you click the right registration button. If you're between the ages of 9 through 13, you want to register here. If you need to watch a tutorial on how to register, student registration tutorial video. This is the video you need to watch if you need to register. Again, this video is for students that have already registered and just don't know how to access those classes. I'm going to go to student login because I have already registered. I'm going to put in my email address. And I'm going to put in my password. All right, I have my email and my password, and I'm going to go ahead and click login. Family, once you have logged in, your login may look a little different than mine. I have registered for several different classes, so that's why you see several of them here. If you've only registered for one class, then you may only see the age that you've registered for. For an example, if you're between the ages of 14 and up, and you're an adult and you're taking adult classes, then this is what you would see on your dashboard. But I'm going to pretend that I'm signing up, I'm registering, or I'm logging in for my student that is 4 years old, so they need help, okay? So I am going to go ahead and go to Yahweh Virtual University Saturday Fun class, ages 4 through 8. Okay, once I click that, then I just need to scroll down and go to Get Started. Once I go to Get Started, family, guess what? I am in my virtual classroom. As you can see, ages 4 through 8, virtual classroom. This is some information here you can read up on, and look what we have here. Join live lesson. Now these steps are exactly the same for the ages 9 through 13 and 14 and up. When you click this button, it will take you straight to your live class. So students between the ages of 4 and 8 on Saturday at 11 a.m. EST, you want to log in to your virtual classroom and going to join live lesson. Once you click this button, it will take you to your live lesson. Okay? and you'll be able to see all your your students, your co-students, and your teacher teaching live that day. Please, family, parents for younger students, or even students that's between the ages of 9 through 13, get familiar with your virtual classroom. There's several things that you can do on this in your classroom. First off, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see the Saturday project that's due for that upcoming Saturday. So for an example, this Saturday that's coming up is May 4th, and the project that is due is to write and recite all 10 commandments on a sheet of paper, and it tells you where you can find the 10 commandments in the Bible. So students between the ages of 4 and 8, they would need to complete this project before May 4th so that they can present this project during their live class and interact with their schoolmates and their teacher. Another thing that you can do with your virtual classroom, you can upload a video of your project, and you can upload a picture of your project. Let's say your students have written all the 10 commandments. You can take a picture of it, put their name, their email, and the subject line, and you can upload a picture of their project. And then the students will be able to see that in the photo gallery. As you can see, there's some projects that our 4 through 8-year-olds have already uploaded in their virtual classroom, which is pretty awesome to see. So family, again, let's pretend that you forgot your password, okay? So I'm going to go back to the home page. Again, I am on a laptop. If you're doing this on your phone, you may not see you may not see these links here, the menu bar. You may see like 3 lines at the top right of your phone or on your tablet. Once you push those lines, it will show the menu bar. If you go home, go to the Home tab on your phone, tablet, or on the computer. You're going to go to Free Saturday Class. Let's say I have already registered. I remember registering, but I do not remember my password. I'm going to go to Student Login. Oh, first I'm going to log out, family. Let's log out because I was still logged in. So I have logged out. I'm going to put in my email. Okay, and let's say I forgot my password. I do not remember what my password is. And I put in the wrong password. Okay? Now, if I click log in, you will see a page like this come up. And it will say, the password you entered for the email address, YerushAYisrael@gmail, is incorrect. Now you can try it again if you may remember it. But if you don't remember it, don't worry, family. Go to Lost Your Password. You can click the link here, Lost Your Password, or it's also down here, Lost Your Password. Click that link, and guess what? You can put in your email, and once I click Reset Password, I'm going to get a link to my YerushAYisrael Gmail, and through that link, I'll be able to reset my password. Okay? So again, if you forgot your password, it's okay. Go ahead and click the Forgot Password link, put in your email address, and go ahead to reset password. I'm not going to reset my password because I do remember my password. Now, let's go over another scenario, family. Let's say I don't even know if I registered. I don't remember if I registered. I'm just not sure. So guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to go to the home page. And on this home page, again, I'm going to go to Free Saturday Class. Okay, let's pretend, again, I don't know if I registered. I'm not sure if I'm in the system. I'm just don't know. So I'm just going to go ahead and try to register again. I'm going to pretend that I'm between the ages of 9 through 13, so I'm going to register here. Once I click that button, it's going to take me to a page where I can actually register. There's some information here about the class. You can read up on that if you'd like. And you want to click the button where it says Join the Family, register here. Now I'm going to go ahead and put in my information. YVU@gmail.com. I'm going to put in a password. My name, address, and a phone number would be good as well, family, if you do want to put your phone number in there. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and click Enroll Now because I want to register because I don't remember if I registered or not. Family, if you get this notice where it says, sorry, the email address is already used, that means you have already registered and you cannot register again with the same email because your email is already in the system. So if you're getting this message, sorry, that email address is already used, guess what you need to do? You need to go back to the home page and log in. Okay? I see that my email address is already being used, meaning I have already registered. Okay? I just don't remember registering. I don't remember my password. So I need to log in. I'm going to go to Free Saturday Class. I do not need to register again because I have already registered. I just need to go to Student Login. I do not remember my password, so guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to put in my email address. And I'm going to put in, try to remember my password. If I don't remember it, you can just type in anything there, go to log in, and guess what? It's going to say the password you entered for this email address is incorrect. You just need to reset your password. Okay? Put in your same email address and reset that password. Once your password is reset, you'll be able to log in with your correct email address and your correct password, and you'll be able to access your student dashboard. From your student dashboard, you'll be able to go to your virtual classroom. I'm going to go back to our virtual classroom. I'm going to pretend that I reset my password, and I'm going to log in. Okay, so now that I'm logged back in to my student dashboard, I see the classes that I registered for. I'm going to pretend I am now 14 or up, between that age range. I'm going to click my class. I'm an adult. It is Saturday. It is time for my class. Once I'm on this page, I just scroll down to where it says Get Started. I'm going to click the Get Started button, and guess what? I am in my virtual classroom. Once in my virtual classroom, family, I can join the live lesson. Click this button and it will take you straight to your live lesson. You'll be able to see your teachers and all your schoolmates. Again, get familiar with your virtual classrooms, family. There's a lot of things that you can do here. This area will tell you what project is due, and you'll be able to upload a video or a photo of the project that you have completed. Family, this video is already much longer than I intended. I really hope and pray this helped everyone in regards to accessing those live Saturday classes. You should know now how to log in, how to reset your password, and how to register if you're not sure if you're registered or not. I love you much, family. I look forward to seeing you Saturday, and I look forward to your amazing projects that you're going to be presenting to your family as a whole. Love you much. Shalom, shalom.